How to follow people on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Then, log into your account and at the top in the search bar, click on it. After you've clicked on it, type the person you want to follow and click on In People. After you have done that, you'll find all these profiles. Simply select the one profile you want to follow. After that, you'll find their profile. In here, beside Add Friend, you'll find 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots. After you click on the 3 dots, you'll find Follow option. Click on Follow and you're good to go. This is how to follow people on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.